amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hoverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh, yakshimash, g'day, y'all. So I have another box here from my good friend Dino. This arrived day before yesterday, I think. So I thought, right, okay, it's time to get it unboxed. So it's covered in string. So let's try and remove the string. I think the box belongs this way up. And I'm going to have to cut some of this string. Oh, I will keep the string actually, it'll come in very handy. One can never have enough string. I will cut the rest. Now I'm not entirely sure what is inside this box. There's another one over there that literally arrived about 10 minutes ago. So I'm going to unbox this one first and I'm going to do another video on that one. So I'm not really sure what's in each box. Obviously by the time the title goes up and everything, I'll know. But currently, while I'm opening this box, I do not know what is inside. Because there are a few coming. Okay. I'll get an idea as soon as I take this handle off. That's one really strong. Let's just cut through the cardboard and the tape. Ah, okay, yes, I know what this one is. This is a surgical procedure. Aha! I know what this handle is for. That's very exciting. Let's open up the rest. Lots of cardboard. Oh my gosh, there's bits of everything in here. Right, okay. Let's move you to one side. First item out of the box today is, oops, it just came off, is a Dyson floor head. Let me just pop that back on. So there we go. We have a Dyson turbo head. Another Dyson, I think this is a hard floor head. Wow. We have another, I know I used to have one like this when I had my Dyson cylinder. So I used to have one similar to that. And a ginormous Dyson turbo brush. Bloody hell. That thing is massive and it weighs a ton. It's definitely a turbo brush, an air-driven brush. Wow. And a dusting tool. A bit of box. We've got a floor head off and upright. I'm not exactly sure what that is. Oh, another dusting tool. A floor brush, brush roll. I think that's off the contour. A hose. I have absolutely no idea what machine this is off, but I will find out. Okay, these are Miele bags. F, J and M type paper bags. We have an oh, that is so nice. We have an old-fashioned style floor tool. I remember ones like this. This looks like it would fit the bylock. And that is the floor tool, the floor brush, the hard floor brush that goes on. Wow, that's really cool. And aha, we have the end caps for the brush roll, a crevice tool, and we have another box in this box. I'll get rid of that box. It's like the Russian dolls. And we have a cable, a very badly corroded cable. Some more string. Where did I put my scissors? It's buried. There we go. Oh my god. I've got a sweat on. This is a blue Electra. So I have the orange one and now the blue one. Wow. Gosh, that bag is in need of a lot of TLC. So here is the handle for it. And this is a blue Electra. Wow. There's no belt on it. The motor does turn. There's no belt. Oh, there is a belt, but it's decayed. It's an old one. Wow. Lovely brush roll on it. Very clean brush roll, actually. And here we go. I'm not going to plug it in because the cable is completely corroded, so there's no way I'm going to be plugging this in to try it. The plug on it is Nettle. Never heard of that brand before, so that's a Nettle plug. But yeah, the cable on this is definitely going to have to be replaced before I can even switch it on. So what I will do at some point is I'll remove the cable on it and plug in another cable, and then we'll test it from there. But that is fantastic. I am so happy. So I got the orange and the blue. The bag is dirty, but it doesn't look in bad condition. The zip on it does work. So that means I don't have to be sewing in a new zip, but it just needs a good clean. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to get this up and running. Swivel top hook. See some information on it. And unfortunately the stickers come off. The only thing I can see is Goblin and Double, Models Off and BVC. That's the only thing that's actually on the sticker, but it doesn't look in too bad a condition. But obviously we can't tell until we strip it. But fantastic. And I've got a blue and an orange Electra. I'm just going to tidy up the cable and put it on there. The cable is just completely cracked and come into pieces as I put the cable back on there. Ugh. Well, there we go. An Electra and an array of parts. I'm not really sure. That definitely goes with that. That definitely goes with that. And I'm wondering, oh, that's the tool for it. Ah, this is the hose for it. So you must take the belt off, and then that fits over there, and then fits inside. So that's the hand tool. The for the oh my god, that is so amazing. And it's got the floor brush on it as well. Look at that. That's going to come up really, really nice. That clips on there. And then that clips over, and there we go. Now it's got a dusting brush on there and a scrubby bit. And also the crevice tool. Fantastic. This hose is going to come up really good. I'll leave it soak, but there's no holes or anything on it. It's quite a nice hose, so I'll be able to use this with both Electras. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much, Dino, for that. That is just simply amazing to have. The tool for it. No elaborate clippings and things, wherever. You just literally just shove it in, twist it on, and you're away to go, using it as a extension hose. Fantastic. Right, okay, let me move you guys a bit closer so you can see the treasure trove, and then I'll finish off the video. So normally for the videos I take you guys back, but today I'm going to bring you guys forward for the treasure trove of pieces and parts that we have here, all ready to clean up and demo. I will do a video on each one of these floor tools. Maybe I'll do these two together, but yeah, I'll do a video on these floor tools, and then obviously there'll be a series of videos then on this Electra. Yeah, can't wait, looking forward to it. Fantastic, absolutely chuffed. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. Big thank you to Dino for sending these to me, and I can't wait to get them all up and running and working. So yeah, I'm really chuffed. Thank you very much. So please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next unboxing. Bye y'all.